The Evolution series from HOLZ-HER. Vertical CNC machining centers that demonstrate ingenious industrial design and extremely sturdy construction using only high-quality components. Requiring a floor space of only about 50 square feet, this unique CNC machine offers all the capacity of a full-blown CNC machining center. The proven and very versatile HOLZ software package offers a wealth of macros, as well as milling simulation of the CNC program and a smooth DXF interface. The integrated Academy module also offers an internal CAD program. The Evolution series provides you enormous flexibility when it comes to data transfer and programming. Panels of up to 10 feet in length and 3 feet in height can be machined without additional support rollers. The maximum weight of the workpieces can be up to 165 pounds. The automated adjustment to the workpiece allows thicknesses between 1/3 and 2 3/4 inch without operator adjustment. Even very small workpieces of 8 by 2 3/4 inch are no problem. Totally unique in its class, the Evolution 7405 format offers precise milling on all 4 edges of the workpiece, leading to absolutely accurate dimension panels. The amount of the lower trim cut can be set in seconds at the in-feed fence. Sturdy roller beams make for smooth and precise panel transport and support. The patent-pending work holding utilizing vacuum suction pods is software controlled. The cups will automatically position themselves, allowing for machining of workpieces of up to nearly 5 feet on all 4 sides, without reclamping cycles. Besides unmatched versatility, this system also makes for extremely short cycle times and precision on long workpieces. The drill head is fully equipped for line drilling in X and Y direction, as well as for grooving cuts with the integrated X-axis saw. 6 horizontal drills make for precise dowel and hardware drilling. The integrated tool optimization of the software further reduces machining time and travel. The heavy-duty 7.5 horsepower spindle offers a tool diameter capacity of up to 80 millimeters diameter and is also ideal for edge profile machining. The results are absolute precisely milled and drilled workpieces, perfect on all 4 edges and front. With the optional performance package, the Evolution 7405 format, you are set to implement countless design ideas. The heavy-duty 9 horsepower HSK spindle with 6-position automatic tool changer allows for profiling the edges, as well as milling surfaces with grooves, profiles, cutting square toe kicks, and engraving. The Evolution series, vertical CNC machining centers from HOLZ-HER, using energy-saving and extremely precise direct drive motors, as well as other high-quality components providing long-term value. Minimal installation time and a short learning curve make for a low hourly machine rate and a fast return of investment. Yet another benefit from HOLZ-HER. The Evolution, the solution for growth of your business. Contact your HOLZ-HER partner for a live demonstration.